So welcome my another video. That maybe it will be boring video. And really no. I just like making videos for YouTube. And when I was boiling water for a tea in a microwave, I came up with an idea what will happen if we boil Pepsi in a microwave. So yeah, and maybe I will taste also that Pepsi. Maybe I don't know how it will be looking after a boiling Pepsi in microwave. So yeah. So I will then just pour that Pepsi in a glass and we will see. Maybe it will explode, I don't know. Yeah, I will. Oh, sorry, oops, I almost killed my camera. Now we will put that in microwave. Okay, that's not good view. So yeah, hopefully it's clean. Yeah, it is. We'll put that Pepsi in microwave. We'll see what happens. Happens. Oh shit. Okay, so focus on that Pepsi. We'll set time first. Okay. So water start boiling after around 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So I don't know what kind of boiling temperature have Pepsi, but yeah, I suppose it's the same as water. So at least in that microwave it starts boiling after 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So yeah, just we will start microwave and hopefully it's recording. Yeah. Wow, you can see Pepsi in here. For now it looks great. Like Pepsi. Hopefully it will not explode. Because otherwise microwave will be all sticky inside. Yeah, I will then taste that Pepsi just for you, just for views. Just for scientific, just for science. It will be still in a glass, obviously. It will just explode. I can't taste anything. Probably will better that I poured that Pepsi away and say just it just exploded, so there's no any more Pepsi. Probably you don't understand me because my English is bad. So yeah. Yeah, for now 1 minute left and Pepsi still in our glass. Hopefully it's called glass. I don't really know English. I think it starts boiling. I don't know. We will see. 30 seconds left. Yeah. So hot Pepsi. Yeah, I don't think it will taste good. It's a really dumb video. I just realized. Who the fuck will drink hot Pepsi? Who knows, maybe it will taste really good. Yeah, it starts boiling. Okay. We can look at the situation. Oh, it started boiling. I will leave that more time inside. The smell. The smells like Pepsi. Yeah. Who will think? Around 4 minutes. Yeah. Why not? It has really strong smell now. When it started boiling. And video can't be longer than 12 minutes because I'm not verified YouTuber. Yeah. Oh, it's boiling really hard. And I don't think, after it will cool down, I will try that, how it tastes. And I think no microwave, it will be all sticky inside. It's obviously evaporating if it's boiling. And yeah, it smells really. Oh, it stopped boiling. Why? Why the fuck it stopped boiling? Oh, and start again. Make your mind Pepsi. Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? What was that? You see that? It was like explosion. I mean, if it will explode, I don't know what I will drink. You know. You need to stay in glass. And you can see anything. Okay, quick fix. Okay, quick fix. I will fix that for you. No worries. Oh shit, microwave is all sticky inside. I can't believe it. Yeah. Well, you don't see either. What? No, the fucking thing will not focus. Just focus on that Pepsi, please. Okay. Focused. Yeah. We'll boil that a little bit more. Yeah, it's just exploded. And now all microwave is sticky. I will need to clean that. Yeah, I don't think we will get better reaction than that. Oh shit. I didn't expect that. Wow. What the fuck? I didn't really expect that. I mean, it opened the fucking doors of microwave. What? Look at that microwave now. Oh fuck. And yeah, kitchen. There's no, actually parents are not at home, so that's care. I don't need to worry about that. And now I will taste that Pepsi. It has really strong Pepsi smell and is all sticky. Yeah, also the microwave is. Why? It tastes I actually like water with sugar. Something like that. It's actually not good taste. No, not at all. So that's it for that video. I need to clean also microwave. It's all sticky because of Pepsi. So like and subscribe for more videos like that. scientific videos like that. And bye.